Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printer for jewelry. That printer is used in any jewelry making or related industry. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printers for jewelry. Our list includes strong contenders from both budget-friendly and high-end models. The output from these printers is of the highest caliber and will take your jewelry creations to a whole new level. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer. If you're a jewelry designer looking to take your creations to the next level, the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer is the perfect tool for you. With its fantastic print volume, high-resolution screen, and fast printing speed, this printer can help bring your designs to life in a simply stunning way. The automatic resin feeding feature makes printing much easier and more convenient. The best thing about the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max is that it allows you to easily print large and intricate jewelry designs. Whether you're creating a bold statement piece or a delicate charm, this printer can produce highly detailed and precise prints with sharp edges and corners. And with its powerful light source, you can enjoy high-speed printing without sacrificing quality. But that's not all. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max also has a large 13.6-inch screen, giving you plenty of space to work on your designs and bring your ideas to life. The protective film ensures the screen stays safe from accidental spills or scratches. So if you buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box. Number 2 is FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. If you're a jewelry maker looking to elevate your craft, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer is the perfect tool. This printer is specifically designed to cater to your needs and provide the best possible results for your creations. The most impressive quality of this printer is its high level of precision. With its cutting-edge technology, you can easily create intricate designs, knowing that the final product will match your vision to the smallest detail. Ease of use is also a standout feature of the FLASHFORGE 3D printer. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it accessible to even inexperienced users. This means that whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting in the world of jewelry making, you'll be able to use this printer easily. Another significant advantage of this printer is its versatility. It can work with various materials, including ABS, PLA, and PVA, allowing you to experiment with different materials and textures. This will enable you to create unique pieces that reflect your artistic vision. If you are interested in the enthusiast 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is Snapmaker 3-in-1 3D Printer. If you're in the market for a 3D printer perfect for jewelry making, the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer is worth considering. This versatile machine prints 3D designs, laser engraves, cuts, and does CNC carving. That means you can make stunning and intricate jewelry designs. One of the great things about the Snapmaker 2.0 is its large work area, allowing you to create more significant prototypes or multiple smaller objects simultaneously. Plus, with its modular design, you can customize it with a wide range of add-ons and modules to suit your jewelry making needs. Another fantastic feature is the linear module's noise reduction chip and lead optimization. This means you can work on your jewelry designs without being bothered by loud, distracting noises. And thanks to the faster working speed, you can complete your projects quickly and efficiently. The Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer is excellent for creating intricate, high-quality jewelry designs. It's versatile, easy to use, and produces outstanding results. So if you want to purchase this printer, check the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Phrozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer. You are introducing the Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K, the ultimate 3D printer for jewelry makers. This printer boasts an incredible 3840 by 2160 ultra-high-definition printing resolution with 4K technology, delivering the highest PPI. Imagine the exquisite details you can achieve on your miniature models or small tabletops. And with its ample printing volume of 5.2 inches by 2.9 inches by 5.1 inches, you can print your jewelry pieces without sacrificing size. The Sonic Mini 4K has a speedy 6.1-inch monochrome LCD screen, allowing you to print up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers. This feature makes rapid prototyping a breeze, saving time and increasing efficiency. The Sonic Mini 4K is compatible with most 3D printing resins, including Phrozen's Aqua Gray 4K resin and water-washable resins. And to make things even better, Phrozen's official website provides all the necessary resin profiles and printing settings, making it a perfect choice for anyone new to 3D printing. Don't let its high-tech features intimidate you. The Sonic Mini 4K is compact, lightweight, and easy to store, making it an ideal option for personal or professional use. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 5 is Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printers. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable 3D printer to create stunning jewelry designs, then the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo might just be what you need. This 3D printer has some fantastic features, making it a top choice for jewelry makers. First off, the upgraded CR Touch auto-leveling feature ensures the printing surface is perfectly leveled for maximum accuracy and quality. The upgraded PC spring steel platform is also a great addition, with its removable magnetic build plate allowing easy removal of finished models. As a beginner, this printer is straightforward with its simple 3-step installation process. The upgraded UI with a model preview function makes it easy to monitor the printing process and observe the exact shape of the print. The metal Bowden extruder is also a game changer, providing more durability and better extrusion force than plastic extruders. It also has a rotary knob for smooth feeding and filament withdrawal to reduce the risk of nozzle blockage. With all these fantastic features, the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo is a top contender for the best 3D printer for jewelry making. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for jewelry. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.